So what is the heading of your answer would be? That is sales budget of Suresh Company Limited. Our particular is filled. Now we need to go budgeted sale for 2020. That means product X, they are asking you, that is the North product X. Make your own tabulation. You know how to write a tabulation. The first column is the particulars. In that you have two columns, division and product. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I'm Abhilash Chandra from the Department of Commerce and Management in Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Welcome to all the students for the 8th session of budgetary control. Now here in this session, I'm going to teach you about the sales budget, and the problem here is the problem number 3. Let me tell you here, students, this problem is from 2018 question paper. So if you solve this, if you can solve this problem, I think that sales budget, you will definitely get 15 marks and nobody can take it from you. If you have any doubt regarding the sales budget here, today I have little more adjustments, new adjustments, which I'll be showing it to you, how to solve it, how to analyze the problem. Let's go with the first problem of this session, that is Suresh Company Limited manufactures. So what is the heading of your answer would be? That is sales budget of Suresh Company Limited. Then manufactures 2 products. There are how many products? 2 products. The products are X and Y. So there are 2 products, they are X and Y. And they say that its sales department has 2 divisions. Which are the divisions? The first division here is South, and one more is here and North. That means there is South division and North division. There are 2 products, X and Y. So what is that we are supposed to calculate? Total of North, total of South, total of X, that is grand total of X product, and grand total of Y product, and your answer is done. Let's go with the question. Budgeted sale for the year 2020. They have given what? Budgeted sale for the year 2020 is given here. Actual sales for the year 2020 is again given here. See, the dates, the years can change. You don't need to mind, right? So which is the current year? 2020 is the current year. And what is that we are supposed to prepare? Prepare a sales budget for the year 2021. So we need to prepare for 2021. That is our next year. That is called estimated sales. Let's start the answer now. I have prepared a tabulation for you. The tabulation remains the same thing. That is your particulars, budgeted sale for. Now in the problem they have given current year is which one? 2020 is the current year. So we'll write here for 2020. Actual sale is also for 2020 and estimated is 2021. So let's start the problem now. Now we'll consider from here till the adjustment, right? Whatever is there from Suresh Company Limited to this 10 rupees per unit. Within this 2 things, we can actually fill 75% of our answer. So let's go with this. Now we have what? X and Y are the 2 products. We have South and North, that is the division. So let's go with it. First we will take the division South. So we'll write here South. And we have X and Y. What is this total is? The total is called total of South. So denote that as TS, but you write it total of South. Then here we have the next one, that is North. And this is again product X and Y. And here what happens is you have total of North done. Later what is that you are supposed to do is grand total of X and grand total of Y. So here we'll write grand total of X and grand total of Y. So we are done till the particulars is concerned. We are done. Our particular is filled. Now we need to go budgeted sale for 2020. What is a budgeted sale for 2020? Understand. Product X, let's take South. Okay, first we will take South. X and Y, 1000 and 5000. 1000 units and 5000 we have. So here we'll write here 1000 and then here 5000. Done. Easy, students. Done. Let's go with the rate is how much here? 5 rupees and 10 rupees is what our rate is all about. So we'll write here X is 5 rupees and Y is 10 rupees. 1000 into 5 is, now you can write that, that is here you will write 5000, and here if you go with that you will actually get 5 tens as 50, in the sense here you will write 50,000. So we are done with the first one. Let's go with the next one, that is calculate it. 1000 plus 5000, that will be your 6000. This is dash here, that is 55,000. So we got the first budgeted sale for 2020 of product X and Y of South. Now we are supposed to go with North. What exactly is the North? The same way you are supposed to calculate. Now we have something called here North. We have 5000 and 2000, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. So we'll go with that. That is here 5000 we have. And what was the Y? 5000 is done. So we have taken 5000. The next is 2000. 2000 is the next one. So we'll go with here 2000. Again it is 5 rupees. Here 10 rupees. 5 5s is 25. So we have here 25,000. Right. So we got here 25,000. Next here 2000 into 10, in the sense we have 20,000. So we are done with the North as well. So here calculate that 7,000. This you are supposed to keep it dash. Then 25 and 20 is 45,000. So we are done with our North as well as South. Now it is a grand total of X. Now here it is 1000 units. Now 1000 plus X here we have, right? Here also we have X, here X. X plus X. 1000 plus 5000 is 6000 units. So we'll write here 6000 units. Keep it dash. 5000 plus 25,000 you have, that is 30,000. We got here 30,000. Next here 5,000 plus 2,000 is our 7,000. Keep it dash. 50 plus 20, we got 70,000. Done. So our budgeted sale for 2020 is done. Let's go with the actual sale. You are supposed to now go with the actuals. Now when we go with the actuals, now this is the actual. Again we have X and Y of South, 5,000 and 5,500. The rate is 5 rupees and 10 rupees. 5,000 and 5,500 is what we have. So here 5,000 and 5,500. Here 5 rupees, 10 rupees. 5 5s are 25, 25,000. Now here if we go with it, 55,000. 55,000. Calculate the thing. 10,500. 10,500. Keep a dash here. Now if you go with that here, 3 zeros, zeros, 1 carry, and it is 80,000. So we got 80,000 done. Next, product X and Y of North, we are supposed to calculate 4,500 and 2,500 is there. And again, the rates are 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Please check the rates whether it is same or not. Some of the problem, the rates may differ. So we are supposed to be very careful. Whatever is the rate, we will actually put that. So here 5 rupees and 10 rupees, 4,500 and 2,500 we have. So when we go with that, 4,500 and it is 5 rupees. 4,500 into 5. Next is 2,500. 2,500, it is 2,500. Let's 2,500, 10 rupees. Now multiply that. Now 5 and 45, if you go with that, zeros. 5 5s is 25, 2 carry, 5 4s is 20, 22. 22,500 is what we got here. Now here if you go with it, you have 25,000. Done. Anywhere if you have a doubt, students, I want you people to actually take your calculator and then calculate. Sometimes what happens is, though you know the calculation, somewhere you go for a mistake, the entire problem will become a mistake. Let's go with this here. If you understand, 5 into 45. So 45 into 5. If you go 22500. So you got the clarification. Now let's go add this. 0, 1 carry, 7 here dash. Let's go with the next calculation. Now you have 22500. So here you will write here 50027 and 47500. Let's go with this 22500 plus 2500. So you have 47,500. So you got the same answer here also. So let's go with, see, why I'm calculating is it's very easy for me to calculate and just give it to you, but I want you people to use calculator wherever you have any difficulty or a confusion. So this is done. We are supposed to go with the grand total of x and grand total of y. So here, what is the x here? We have 5,000 plus 4,500. So you are supposed to calculate. We have 9,500. 9,500 is that. Now 5 plus 5, don't add it because it is not 5 plus 5, it is 5 itself, but you are supposed to keep it blank. Now 5,500 plus 2500, if you go with it, 500 is 1,000, 3,000, 8,000. So we got 8,000 here. Next is, we are supposed to again put this blank, nil. Now 55,000 and 25,000, if you go with it, 5 and 5 is 10. So it is 20, 30, 30, 80. So we have 80,000. And here if we go with it, 22500 and 2500, if you go with it, again here 500, then 5 and 2 is 7. And then you have 2 plus 2 is 4. Again it is 47500. What exactly you got here? If you go with 25 and 22,500, you will get 47,500. Done. So this is clear. Now we will go with the estimated sales. See here, we have not gone with any of the adjustments. What we have seen in the question paper, we have taken it, we have calculated. So we are done with budgeted sale of 2020 and actual sales of 2020. So we are done with that. Let's go with the question now. Now that means here, till here, we have taken everything. Okay, till here we have taken everything. Let's go with the first one. The sales manager have the following suggestions. See, sales budget is prepared by the sales manager, so his suggestions are very much valid. The first one, they say that product X. Now see here, when you read the adjustment complete. Don't go for a small conclusion if you go with only this. Say example, product X. Now when you read product X, whether it is south or north, you don't know. So you are supposed to read completely. So product X can have an increased sale. They are saying that the sales of product X can be really good to the extent of 500 units. So increase in the sense you are supposed to add. Decrease in the sense you are supposed to subtract. So it is addition here. From budgeted sales of 2020, see, they are only giving the estimated sales should be increased by 500 units from what? Budgeted sales of 2020. If the price is reduced, see here, now you have got an adjustment where the price is getting reduced. The price is reduced by 50 paisa per unit in north. That means product X, they are asking you, that is the north product X. Now here, north product X is which? 5,000. It will be increased by 500 units, means now we will write 5,500. How much is the price? 5 rupees was the price. Now it has reduced to 50 paisa in the sense 4 rupees 50 paisa is the new rate. So we'll go back to our question here. Now they said north and that to X. How much is it? 5,000. Now why is that? We are actually increasing 5,000 here and not 4,500, because in the problem they have given that to the extent of 500 units from budgeted sales of 2020. So which is the budget sale? This is the budgeted sale of 2020. Here now what happened is 5,000 will be increased by 500. So 5,500. 5,500. And what will be the rate? The rate is not now 5 rupees. It is 50 paisa is reduced. That means 50 paisa, if it is reduced, what happens here is the price is reduced by 50 paisa per unit in north. That is product X, 50 paisa is reduced. Now what was the thing? 5 rupees was the thing. Now here what will happen? 4 rupees 50 paisa. So this is the first adjustment. Let's go with the next adjustment. Product Y. Again, don't give a conclusion. Product Y, south or north, we don't know. We need to read completely. Product Y can have more sales to the extent of 1000 units. So product Y can have extension of 1000 units if the price is kept at 9 rupees per unit. What is the price now? The price is not 10 rupees now. See, all the product Y, if you see, it is all what? 10 rupees, 10 rupees, here 10, here 10. But now it is how much? 9 rupees per unit. Now which division? South division. Which division? South division. See here, they have not asked you whether it is increased from budgeted sales or actual sales. Whenever they will not mention it, students, the base is always budgeted. So you are supposed to increase from budgeted. If they say actual, then you are supposed to increase by actual. But if they have not given anything, that means you are always supposed to go with the target which is set by the company. And the target is the budgeted sale of 2020. So product Y of South, you are supposed to go. Now you have South, product Y. And how much it is? 5,000. Now they are telling that it will be increased by how much? Increased by 1000 units. Now 5,000 plus 1000 is how much? 6,000 units. And they say that if the price is 9 rupees, only it will be more. So 6,000, and here you will write 9 rupees and not 10 rupees. You will not write 10 rupees. So this is the second adjustment. The third adjustment here we have is other area sales. Now other area sales is which one? The other area sales means here. We have blank here and we have blank here. Those things are called other areas. Now what are the other areas here? South X is other area, and then we have North Y is other area. Now what is that they are asking us is other area sales are expected to increase by 10%. They are telling us we are supposed to now go for a calculation. How much? 10%. 10% for product X and Y in overall. Prepare a sales budget is what they have said. Now here the other areas, price will not change because they have not mentioned anywhere the price, isn't it? So now what happens is whatever was the earlier price, the same price will be retained. That is how you need to analyze the problem. Let's go with the problem here. Now they said there will be a hike or increase of 10%. Now they have not mentioned whether it will be increased by actual sales or budgeted sales. So from where we are supposed to increase it or decrease it, that is, if they have not given, we are supposed to go with the budgeted because this is the base target given by the company. Now here 1000 is that 1000 plus 10%. So how much is it? 100. For every 1000, the 10% is how much? 100. So now the new unit is 1100. And they have not said anything about rate. So rate remains same. What is the rate here? 5 rupees, 5 rupees. So we'll take the base, that is 5 rupees. So we'll write here 5 rupees. Is it easy, students? Done. Let's go with the next one. Now we have here North, we have Y, and they say that it will be increased by 10%. Now 2000 into 10% is 200. So it has increased. So 2200 is the new units. 2200. And what is the price of your Y? That is your Y price is how much? It is 10 rupees. We'll take the same thing, that is 10 rupees here. Now what is that you are supposed to do? It's very simple. Now you need to multiply these two. So for this, what is that we are supposed to do is 1100 into 5. If you go with it, you will get 5500. Again 6000 into 9. 6 9s is 54. So you have 54 in the sense 54,000. Done. So we got here. Add it 7100 This is dash here. So we have here dash, and then here 5,500 plus 54,000. If you go with it, it is 59,500. So we'll write here 59,500. Done. Now calculate this. Please use your calci for this. 5,500 into 4.50 if you go with it. So 59,500 is what we have got. That is, we have added this. Now 5,500 into 4.50. I want you people to take your calci and then solve this. Now 5500 into 4.50, if you go with it, you will actually get 24,750. Done. Here 22, and then if you go with it, 22,000 is what you will actually get. Now add this. Now it is 7,700. This is dash, and here if you go with it, 756 and 4, 46, 750 you got. Now again, product X in both the ways, X and here Y. 1,100 plus 5,500 you are supposed to add, that is 6,600. This is blank here. Now 6,000 plus 2,200 is 8,200. This is also blank. Now take your calci. 5,500 you have 5,500 plus X and X you are supposed to calculate. That is plus 24,750 is 30,250. Now again you have 54,000 here. 54,000 plus 22,000 you are supposed to go with that. Now 54 and 22, you don't need a calculator for that. 54, 64, 74, 76. So 76,000. Done. So this is what is our estimated sale or budgeted sale for 2021. So we are done with the calculation part here. The entire problem is for 10 marks or 15 marks. In the next session, I'm going to teach you a 15 marks question where you have 3 divisions plus you have 3 products. And then you are supposed to calculate the grand total of all the products. Now that is a 15 marks question which I'll be training you people in the next session. Until then, here students, I want you people to again practice the same question. Don't see the answer. Make your own tabulation. You know how to write a tabulation. The first column is the particulars. In that you have 2 columns, division and product. The next column is budgeted sale for the current year, which is there in the question paper. Next, you are supposed to go with actual sales for the current year, again, which is in the question paper. And the last one is prepare sales budget will be given in the last heading, right? So that is the estimated sale for the next year. And then you know what exactly you are supposed to do. You are A. That is, you are adorable is what your key point will be. These are the things which Abhilash tricks you are supposed to remember. It's like you are A. And then you can write each and everywhere you are A, units, rate and amount. Rate and amount, you are supposed to have this rupees has a symbol. Never forget this. Everywhere here I have mentioned rupees, because if you don't mention here, students, I'll tell you 1 or 1.5 marks you will actually lose if you don't go with the symbol you are actually going with. There are many people who actually use dollars, pounds, because sales budget is used across the world, right? So that's the reason here we go with rupees. So we'll get a proper segment that which is the currency which we are using here. And next session, which I told you that I'll be explaining you about 3 divisions, 3 products, how to solve it. The same pattern it is, but we'll solve it together. Thank you so much. Until then, I'll see you when I see you.